The instructors would kill me with the way I'm applying this primer, by the way. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I thought we would do a get ready with me because I'm going to be telling you all about the Online Makeup Academy. This video is sponsored by Online Makeup Academy. I'm currently taking their Master Makeup Artist program. I'm so excited to be able to become a certified makeup artist. There is a difference between getting licensed and certified, and I'll go over that a little bit throughout the video. Basically, this is a certification course, and no, you don't really need a certification course. You don't really need it. But if you're gonna be out there in the freelance world even, it's just good to have. I've learned so many things from the course, and I'm definitely gonna touch on some things throughout the video so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about and see that it's worth your coin. The course is normally $799, but with my discount code, I'll have it up on the screen, you can get $100 off of that. And I'm so excited to be telling you about this course because trust me, it is worth your coin, and I've learned so much. And I'm just really excited to get back out in the freelance world, which I haven't done in over 2 years at this point. It's just really hyped me up. So if you want to see how I got this beautiful peachy look while listening to me talk about the Online Makeup Academy, then just keep on watching. Okay, so getting straight into the get ready with me, I'm gonna be doing like that peachy look you saw at the beginning, really fresh, really springy, because yes, we're still in spring. It's almost summer, but we're still in spring. Everything I'm using will be linked down below because I'm not gonna be really talking about what I'm using. I'm just gonna try to talk about what I need to talk about, right? This is so pretty. I'm obsessed. Sorry. I am so excited to be able to get certified. I have been freelancing, and I'm gonna be honest, since I moved to Virginia, I moved in December 2019, and then the pandemic happened, and I just have not been able to build my clientele out in Virginia. I did start freelancing in 2019 in California, but it wasn't like crazy amounts of clients coming my way either. So I'm really excited to, you know, put myself out there again and try to get some more clients. I consider myself a freelance makeup artist. I think I do makeup pretty well, especially on myself. I, you know, have been doing YouTube for a long time. I've learned completely self-taught. I've learned off of YouTube. I've learned on my own. I've learned from trial and error. I think that I have learned a lot on my own, but I have done a couple of the modules from the course, and honestly, I have learned so much more than I ever thought I would. They talk about so many different topics I didn't even think about. I knew the basic sanitation processes, obviously, but they go really in depth with the COVID-19 sanitation practices. You honestly learn so much, even if you think you know everything there is to know about being a freelance makeup artist or a makeup artist, like a paid, like on set makeup artist. There's so much more you will learn, I promise you. When I was freelancing in California, I bought a cream foundation kit, a cream foundation palette, and I thought that that was like what we needed to use. I'm pretty sure that that's what the makeup artist that I had do my makeup for my wedding, which is a good friend of mine, used, and that's kind of what I always just thought. But like, you learn so much about color theory and like color correcting and color, like everything to do with colors and clients and different skin tones and different undertones within this course, that I learned so much about like that stuff that I did not know before. And it's actually crazy that I feel like I've been freelancing wrong. This is gonna be so exciting. I mean, not that like my clients would be like, are you certified? No, like it was never really like that. Like nobody really cares whether you're certified or not, but I do think it is worth it in the end because you just learn so much by taking a course that you cannot learn on YouTube. In my opinion, there are videos on specific topics on YouTube. You won't know what to research, what you're missing in the research process. You know what I mean? There are topics within this course that I feel are really essential toward being a certified makeup artist that I just did not know before, and that stuff that I couldn't find on YouTube, you know, that I just did not know before, that I didn't know to teach my own subscribers. I'm here like I'm a beauty channel, and yeah, I've been doing a lot of product reviews lately, not so much like focusing on the makeup artist aspect of my career. It's getting me really excited to be able to also pass my knowledge along. There's nothing like being actually certified though. What is cool about this course as well is you actually get pro access to a lot of the brands that they work with. They work with NYX, Makeup Forever. I'm pretty sure you can also get a MAC Pro discount like once you receive your certificate. I do have to say it's not an easy process to get your certificate. There's many hours of this course. I would say it's 30, 40, 50 hours, something like that. Right now, I'm about a third of the way through. No, I'm 20% of the way through. I've learned so much in just that, like one little process. You learn so much about color theory. There's printables, there's a workbook. There's so much that goes into this course, and it's so affordable at such an affordable cost and so convenient because it's online. The instructors would kill me with the way I'm applying this primer, by the way, because sanitation. But it's a good thing this is not going in my kit. Wow, this feels really nice. I have learned that this palette thing is your best friend and that alcohol is also your best friend. I'm like so excited to be able to work on clients again with everything that I've learned. So you start off with some basic stuff like what you should expect in becoming a makeup artist and why it's so amazing that you have this course offered online, and the difference between going online and in person. While yes, you would get the one-on-one attention in person that you don't really get online, you still get really personalized attention because you do get homework assignments and you do have to submit them and get graded on them. And that is super cool to me because they actually see your work and they actually tell you. And honestly, if you don't pass the homework, then obviously you're not going to pass the course. Obviously, the whole point of taking the course is to pass the course. So you definitely want to, you know, pay attention and actually do your homework correctly. I'm really excited because the homework, you can do it on yourself, which is amazing, so you don't need a model. And I actually have been watching some videos of people who have done the course who don't necessarily want to become freelance makeup artists or makeup artists of any kind. They just wanted to take the course to learn everything that they need to do their own makeup well. Like they want to be able to do makeup on themselves because they're like on social media or something like that, for example. And I just think that that's a fabulous idea, and it's amazing because you can pass the certification with just doing makeup on yourself. You don't necessarily have to work on clients or models or anything, and I think that's so awesome, especially in a time with COVID. Hopefully I can get some family members to model for me, but if not, I'm like so excited to be able to find some models in my area that I could work on and add to my portfolio. And it's so cool because like I said, once you're done and you have your certificate, you can get the pro cards for any of those brands that they work with. And I just think that that's so amazing because then you can like build up your kit if you want to. So like I said, you get a workbook, like a manual, and it like goes along with all the videos, but they're all video trainings and they're all obviously industry professionals that have been doing this for a really long time, and they've been on, you know, sets, movie sets. They work professionally. They do all kinds of makeup. They also offer all kinds of courses. I'm taking the master makeup course, but they also have the advanced makeup program. They have a hairstyling course. They have a special effects course. I do have to say that there is a difference between getting licensed and getting certified, and most states don't require a license, but they do have a whole like part of their website that lets you know exactly what states require what. In my state, and hopefully any other state that I move to in the future, you don't have to be licensed. You don't even have to be certified. In most states, you don't have to be certified at all. It's just something that's nice to add to like your portfolio, like the fact that you're certified rather than just a freelance. Like I feel like maybe that's why I didn't get like that many clients back in the day. Within the first module, you get like the basics of like the difference between physical and online school. I did my master's degree. I did it online and that was totally fine. And then they explain to you why you can't learn what you're learning in this course on YouTube or Instagram, and the difference between influencers and actual professionals, which I do have to say, like, you know, being a beauty YouTuber and Instagrammer, I did not know half the things I've already learned, and I'm not even done with the course, so I could tell you for sure that they do teach you stuff that you will not know. They also teach you about your station setup, being professional, how to dress when you're on set if you're ever gonna take like a job like that. They also do like a full what should be in your makeup kit. They talk to you all about brushes, base matching, color theory, color correcting, concealer, applying to different skin types, skin tones. They do sanitation, they do deep cleaning. That's everything in module 1. That's where I've gotten up to. I've just finished module 1. In module 2, you learn about different types of skin and skin prep and how to best serve your clients. And then in module 3, you learn about like actual makeup application, smoky eye, that kind of thing, which I feel like that I already kind of know, but I'm really excited to see what they bring to the table that I don't know. In module 4, you learn about casual and glamour makeup, and then in module 5, you learn about bridal, which I'm really excited for that. I mean, I'm excited for everything, like the whole entire thing. There's a bunch of homework assignments. Oh my gosh. Module 6, they do mature skin, male grooming, working with kids. In module 7, it's all about imperfections, cool eyeshadow technique. Module 8 is halo eye, lashes, eyebrow contouring, and strobing. Ooh, how exciting. And then there's a bonus module, photo shoot etiquette, makeup application for sensitive skin and acne. They talk about life-saving tricks for makeup artists, creativity, how to be a successful makeup artist. It's just so cool. And then you get your certification test, you get a checklist. Yeah, and then there's a bonus bonus of special effects makeup course sneak peek. There's also another bonus of the pro hairstyling course sneak peek in case you're interested in doing any of that. I've never been interested in hair, you know that? That's really interesting because I thought I would be. Anyway, so far I have learned so much and I'm really happy with the course, and I cannot wait to continue the course and finally be a certified makeup artist. It's like a huge goal of mine. It would be really cool to be able to work like on a set, but I would be happy just taking clients again and, you know, building my website, building my portfolio. I really want to do like any kinds of makeup, prom makeup, bridal, quinceañeras. I want to do everything, and I wouldn't mind just sticking with the freelance world for now. If I could ever, the thing is where I live, there's like no opportunities for like to be on sets or anything like that. That just may not happen for me. You know, I'm going to put it out there in the universe, manifest that, and say that one day I will be so good that they will be calling me to go to New York to do somebody's makeup on some set, some really cool show, or like, oh my gosh, that would be so cool. And they actually do talk about setting goals for yourself as a makeup artist in the first module, and I just thought that that was really interesting because I've never actually done that. I set goals within my business, like within my social media business type thing. I want to hit this amount of followers this year on Instagram and YouTube and get a certain amount of views, that kind of thing. Something I've also really been into is kit condensing. Like I follow this Instagram account called the Artist Kit Company. His business is all about makeup kit condensing, and it's really interesting to me because I never thought about that. I'm stupid and I would take, you know, the 3 bottles of the Makeup Forever foundation just straight up the way they are in my kit, and that just takes up so much room. So he actually sells these little plastic bottles, I guess, where you can put all of your foundations in, and that just is a space saver. He also sells these magnetic palettes, like Z palettes, but like smaller, where you can basically depot like any cream, like eyeshadow palettes, and he sells like the little containers that it goes into. It's really interesting. Like, honestly, check it out if you're a freelance makeup artist. And also let me know if you want to see more makeup artist videos, like a what's in my kit, which I'm like building up my kit a little bit more because obviously like the stuff that I had there when I was freelancing in California is expired right now. Something I did want to mention is that they do go over like really basic, so if you don't know anything about makeup, like you could still take this course because it is the master makeup course. It's not the advanced makeup course, where I'm assuming in the advanced makeup course they actually go in a lot more detail for like people that already know like the basics. So if you don't know the basics, this course is definitely for you. I can't say enough good things about it. I was gonna do lashes, but I'm really digging the way this looks, just like fresh and springy without the lashes. What do you guys think? Anyway, I cannot recommend this course enough. Like I said, the course is normally $799, but you can use my code to get $100 off, and I so recommend this course. Even if you're like somewhat like me, like I knew what I was doing. Like I'm telling you, I've been doing makeup on social media for a few years now. I didn't know everything, obviously, and there might be people that are more advanced than me that may not know everything that's offered in this course. Like I'm telling you, I learned so much, and I'm only on module 2. I can't imagine how much else I'm gonna learn. Like I'm so excited to finish off the course and finally get my certification. I will keep you guys updated on how it goes. We'll definitely be letting you know when I'm officially certified, and I'm gonna build my website and build up my portfolio so I can get the pro card discounts, and so that I could also take clients again. Finally, I'm so excited. But yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know any questions you have about the course. I'd be happy to answer them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. In blah, blah. Oh, everything I have. Oh, I'm gonna be way through, I guess. I know how to do math, okay? Taking this course would be to, he is the owner of the Artist Kit Company. I'm so stupid, okay? The way I said that, I'm sorry. But yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. That completes this video. Oh my gosh. If you enjoyed this video,